What's the meaning of center stage? Center stage. Center stage.
Center stage. Center stage. Center stage is an idiomatic expression that means someone or something is in the spotlight, receiving the most attention. It is often used in the context of performances or events where the focus is on a particular person or thing. Being center stage can imply dominance, power, and importance. It can also create pressure and expectations to perform well. People who are center stage often have the opportunity to make a significant impact and leave a lasting impression on the audience. Overall, being center stage indicates a position of prominence and influence.